Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to complete your KYC verification on Redbelly Network. This year, Redbelly Network has over $70 billion in total value locked on the ecosystem. You might as well call them the #1 real-world asset project on a global scale. RBNT token is confirmed, in which 37% is allocated for incentives and rewards, and out of that, 15% is allocated for rewards for testnet participants. Now, for you to be able to interact with Redbelly Testnet, you need to first complete KYC. And to complete KYC, we are going to visit access.redbelly.network. We are here on the Access website already, and then you are going to tap on Connect Wallet. Now, you need to keep in mind that whatever on-chain interactions that you may have to do in the process of completing this KYC requires Wallet Connect. So whether you are interacting with this particular website on your PC or on your mobile phone using your MySys or Kiwi browser, you need to confirm all approval and transaction confirmations inside your MetaMask application, not your MetaMask extension. So I hope that is clear. So now that my wallet has been connected successfully, I am going to tap on Begin Identity Verification. Check the I understand box and then tap on Continue with Avra. Avra is their KYC partner. Select MetaMask. You are going to sign a signature in your wallet. So after signing, it takes you back to access page on Redbelly. Don't do anything, just hold on until it starts to load the next page, as you can see on my screen right now. So tap on Continue. Tap on Continue on phone. So in the following page, you'll be presented with two options, either to scan a barcode with your mobile phone barcode scanner, or to copy the link and then paste in a different tab on your mobile phone. And this is the same process even if you are using PC. You have to complete the verification on your mobile phone. So I decided to copy the link and I left that tab opened. I just, opened another browser. I used Brave this time and I pasted the link in my Brave browser. Keep tapping on Continue. So there are two steps to completing this KYC. The first one is to provide your identity document, and the second step is to perform a liveness check. So here you have to choose all countries except USA. Do not choose USA. Then tap on Continue. Now choose your means of identification, the one that you have out of the three available ones. Tap on Continue. So just keep tapping on Continue until you get to the stage where you have to take a picture of your document. I can no longer record at this stage, so I'm using screenshot, and that is because I need to use my device camera. Now, after submitting your document, you have to complete your liveness check as well. So the system will take a few seconds to process your data, and it doesn't take long actually. Your profile will be successfully verified. So this is not the end. There is one last step that you need to take before gaining full access to the testnet. Now go back to your MySys browser, or if you are using PC, return to your PC and just close this page. Go back to access.redbelly.network. So now you can see that the information being displayed is different from before. And then you can see wallet status not enabled. So you have to enable your account. Tap on Enable Account. When you tap on Enable Account, there are two steps to completing this. The first one is to sign a signature in your wallet. So choose MetaMask and patiently await the signature request to come. So tap on Sign. Then it takes you back again to Redbelly. Now, the next stage is to confirm this transaction on-chain in your MetaMask wallet. So again, tap on Enable Account. and you are going to receive a confirmation prompt in your wallet to confirm the transaction. Now, when you successfully complete your KYC verification, which we have done earlier, you are automatically given 10 RBNT token, because the purpose of the 10 RBNT token which you have been given is to have something to use as gas fee, because this second confirmation is on chain. You are going to spend about 1 RBNT token as your gas fee. So I have just confirmed this transaction, and what can you see? My status have changed. Now account status is enabled and you are now ready to start completing testnet transactions. So I do not really enjoy the process of completing the KYC verification. I find it a bit unnecessarily long. So in order to avoid the video becoming boring, I decided to make a separate video for the KYC verification and then another video for the testnet interactions. So this is the video for KYC verification, and in the next video you are going to see how to complete the testnet transactions. So you can tap on the testnet video guide right after this one, or simply check the pinned comment or video description for link to the testnet tutorial. Thanks for watching.